Hi students, today we are going to discuss another important concept in aldehyde ketones, that is catalytic decomposition of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid subjected to decompose in the presence of catalyst and given temperature. What the reaction? Carboxylic acids we are decomposing in the presence of catalyst. That's why we are calling catalytic decomposition of carboxylic acid. Actually, what happened in this reaction means vapors of carboxylic acids on passing over hot MnO, manganese oxide, at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, or alumina Al2O3 at 400 degrees Celsius gives aldehydes or ketones. This is the reaction. What we have to do? Vapors of carboxylic acids on passing over hot MnO, manganese oxide, or alumina. If you are taking MnO, you have to maintain 300 degrees Celsius temperature. If you are taking Al2O3, you have to maintain 400 degrees Celsius temperature. Then yielding aldehydes respective aldehydes or respective ketones based on the reagent, that is the reactant what we are taking. Here three things we have to remember, very important things. What are those means? Formic acid, if you are taking formic acid as the reactant, it gives formaldehyde. It gives formaldehyde, means HCHO. Reactant, you are taking formic acid, you are getting formaldehyde. If you are taking reactant formic acid plus any other carboxylic acid, this is the condition. Formic acid and any other carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid, butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, whatever it may be, gives aldehydes. And condition number 3, carboxylic acid plus other than formic acid, means you should not take formic acid other than any formic acid, means both you have to take carboxylic acid other than formic acid, then it will give ketone. These are the conditions you have to remember. Formic acids only you are taking, formaldehyde you are getting, formic acid plus any other carboxylic acid, nimistadu, then you are getting aldehyde. Next, carboxylic acid other than formic acid, you should not take formic acid, any carboxylic acid plus, for example, ethanoic acid, like that. Here formic acid, ethanoic acid, here only formic acids. So if you are looking these conditions, respective products you are getting. This is the very important, you have to remember for competitive purpose what type of carboxylic acid they are giving. Now I am taking example here. Look here. I am taking first condition. Formic acid I am taking. Formic acid H C double bond O bond OH. This is formic acid. HCOOH plus another formic acid. HC double bond O and here H. Means both I am taking formic acid mixture. Both are formic acids only. Condition I am taking manganese oxide at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Alumina also you can take, no problem. What happened? Look here. This OH group bond is going to be break and this OH bond is going to break. Means CH bond here, OH bond here going to be break. I repeat. Here CH bond, here OH bond is going to be break. Clear? This is the breaking system. CH bond, OH bond. One side CH bond, one side OH bond is going to be break. Means this part is eliminated. Remaining what is there? CHOH. Means HCOH. What you have? H C double bond O, this part, and this side we have H. Clear? This side what I took? H. HCHO means formaldehyde. What is this? Formaldehyde. So what I told here, both formic acid taking, you are getting formaldehyde. So formic acid. This is formic acid. So formic acid taking, formaldehyde getting. Now, how this will be work? How this will be work? Means this part will be eliminated to what extent? What extent means I will show that. I will show here. Look here. The byproducts will form. The byproducts will form like this. Look carefully. What we removed here? OH group plus here H C double bond O. Clear? This group is there. Look carefully. This OH minus, this is H plus, making as water. Clear? And this bond we broken, double bond. C double bond O, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Like this. So this OH minus, this H plus, water, and this CO2, carbon dioxide. So what you are getting here? Carbon dioxide plus water as byproducts. Carbon dioxide and water are byproducts you are getting. That is the way. Next, condition number 2. Means second example I am taking. What I have to take? Formic acid, any other carboxylic acid. Any other carboxylic acid. Look here. CH3, C, double bond O, bond, and here I am taking OH plus, I took carboxylic acid here and one formic acid. This formic acid I am taking here. Formic acid H, C, double bond O, H. Clear? So this is formic acid I took. Any other carboxylic acid I took. And now how previously we break the bonds? Similar manner. Here OH bond, that is CO bond. Here OH bond we have to break. I repeat, here CO bond, here OH bond. So we have to break this CH bond, we have to break here OH bond. So like you are getting the product. Clear? And you take here Al2O3 at 400 degree Celsius temperature. The products. Look here, CH3, CH3, C double bond O, and here H. What is this? CH3CHO. Ethanol. What is this? Ethanol. Plus, previously I told carbon dioxide plus water are byproduct. How here carbon dioxide and water removed? And similar manner. So one is carboxylic acid, one is formic acid, and what the product I told to you? Formaldehyde. Look here. Sorry. Aldehyde you are getting. So this is ethanol. This is ethanol. Carbon dioxide and water are eliminated. The condition number 3. So what I took here? Carboxylic acid, other than formic acid. Here formic acid is there, here formic acid is there. Here we should not take formic acid. CH3, C double bond O, OH. One acetic acid I took. Another we have to take acetic acid only. Acetic acid. I am taking H, O, C double bond O, CH3. Reaction convenience purpose I took reverse just. So this is acetic acid, this is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Clear? And go for MnO at 300 degrees Celsius. Breaking same. One side OH bond, that is CO bond, one side OH bond. I repeat, CO bond we have to break. Here OH bond we have to break. Clear? OH bond. Previously we did like that. Now OH bond, CO bond we have to break. So CO bond. CO bond. This is. Then what I got? CH3CO, CH3, CH3, C double bond O, that is here CH3. What is this? Dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. Nothing but acetone. Nothing but acetone. Previously we removed this, no? Same. Carbon dioxide plus water you are getting. Byproduct. So, condition you have to remember. Both the formic acids, formaldehyde. One formic acid, one any other acid, any carboxylic acid. Aldehyde you are getting. Carboxylic acid other than formic acid. Ketone you are getting. Ketone you are getting. Clear? So how water, carbon dioxide are removed, I will explain one more time. I will take this part or this part, all same parts only. Look here, OH plus H bond O, C double bond O. Look here, all same we removed. How we are getting the water and carbon dioxide? Look here, this bond is shifted to here. This bond is going to be break. Then what you are getting? C double bond O, nothing but carbon dioxide. And here H plus, this is OH minus. You are removing water. So carbon dioxide and water. This is the method to remove. So this is we are calling catalytic decomposition. Carboxylic acids are decomposed in the presence of a catalyst, MnO or Al2O3. Why Al2O3 MnO means this is one type of dehydrating agent. This will absorb water molecule. That's why we are using Al2O3. So this is catalytic decomposition of carboxylic acid. If you like my concepts, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you need any other concepts, write in comment box. Thank you. Be safe at home.